Energy storage is a very important topic in order to use especially renewable energy sources very efficiently. Therefore, here in Het Breed, which is in the north of Amsterdam, a solar and gas-based district heating system has been installed with in total 21 buffer tanks, which are serving as heat storages. The tanks, with 16,000 of liters water each, store the heat from the solar rays, which have been captured by the solar collectors plant on the roof over the day. In the night, the stored heat gets used then via the radiators in the flats. But this all makes a lot more sense when the apartments are well insulated, because then, of course, they are using a lot less energy. About half a year ago, with Concerto, finally the renovations began, since the people in the beginning didn't want any changes at their homes. Here it becomes obvious that individual solutions for energy efficient and sustainable areas benefit from being combined with each other and need to be integrated, like in the Concerto projects. When we look back on our shooting locations for Concerto, where we were shooting on renovation in Budapest, the district heating system in Salzburg, or Victoria Gas test with social awareness, and also the biggest biogas plant of the world in Marbjerg, Denmark, then we see that an integrated approach, like Concerto is aiming at, can improve the results of the implementations a lot, compared to just focusing on one solution. So, coming back to our topic of energy storage, we see that it's on the one hand just a little part, and on the other hand a really important thing in order to increase energy efficiency in areas. But what do the Netherlandic people think about energy efficiency?
Today I spent the whole day on the water, on a boat, and it was an electrical boat.
Oh, okay.
And I really think that helps a lot, not just in like energy efficiency, but also sound efficiency. Of course, it's a lot more silent. And I think I see too little electrical cars. I really think that's a good idea.
Maybe less cars, more bicycles.
A lot of Dutch people traveling by bike in Amsterdam, and not so many with cars. So I think it's very good now, but maybe it can be better.
A car you can refuel in like 2 minutes. The battery takes at least half an hour, which is just too long if you're in a hurry. But what I heard is a great way to solve that problem is, instead of reloading your battery, you can just switch it around at a station next to the highway. So batteries aren't something that you own and reload all the time, but you just switch them around and everybody uses all their batteries. I really like that idea.
Also, on our last shooting location, we see that it's very important to have an integrated approach in order to create an energy efficient and sustainable district, and also to reach the European Union 2020 goals. But also we see that it's not impossible, and that it's easy actually to replicate these Concerto models.